بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. When the people of Makkah were very angry with the Holy Prophet and with all the Muslims, during these years Medina was the center of Islam. After the death of Holy Prophet, God be upon him, the friends of Holy Prophet opened the Asia and opened the Europe and went to Andalus. Muhammad bin Qasim went into to the Multan and fought with Rad Dahar. The army of Muhammad bin Qasim had 12,000 and army Raja Dahar had 60,000. Hamd Bari Ta'ala. And Tarq bin Ziyad went to Andalus and fought with Radrak and killed him and opened the Andalus. Hamd Bari Ta'ala. God made the earth and made the sky. God burned the borders between into the fly. Some people born very happy and some people born cry. God born the beautiful teeth and born the eye. God born the birth and born the die.